Challenge number 612, KebabCase. Replace the camelCase or PascalCase string with KebabCase, which is just words separated by a dash. Before we dive into the code, I'm gonna introduce one utility method that we're gonna use, and it's called Uncapitalize. That can be used on any string type. It converts the first character in the string to a lowercase equivalent. So hello world all caps becomes hello world with a lowercase h. Let's go into the code. We're first gonna go through the string step by step. For that we infer the first letter and infer the rest of the string. If the string has this format, we can check if the rest is equal to the uncapitalized rest. Uncapitalized rest. If that's the case, then we're gonna build a string out of the uncapitalized letter and the kebab case of the rest without replacing anything. If this doesn't conform to the rest being equivalent, then we're still gonna uncapitalize the letter because everything has to be lowercase in the end anyway. But now we're putting here the dash. Now we're putting here the dash right before the rest of the sentence. So before we put in kebab case with the rest. And since we checked if the rest is equal to itself uncapitalized, and this is in this branch not the case, rest is starting with the capital letter. That's why we have to put it back into kebab case and have to put the dash before it. And if we don't have any letters left, we just return the string. That makes all test cases pass, and that's already it. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.